Presten, where are you going?
We're going to toy hunting.
All right. Can Grandpa come too?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's keep on going. Grandpa, keep on. What's up, guys? We're going hunting for toys. Yay! Grandpa, look!
Whoa, what's that?
I don't know.
Whoa, it's a toys.
A toy?
Wow. Let me get you.
Wow.
What is that?
It's a pharmacist.
Let me see. That looks cool. Wow. Hey, what is this?
It's a dairy dump truck.
This is like a harvester.
Yeah, looks like.
Come here.
What? What?
What is that?
I don't know. My truck.
Okay. Let's put it in. You got two now. Let's go look for some more.
Hey, Grandpa, look.
What is that?
Wow.
Whoa, it's a crane truck.
Hey. What? Wow.
Wow, there's so many toys.
Wow.
Somebody left their toys in there.
Yeah.
Somebody forgot to take the toy home, huh?
Yeah. Hey, what is that? Hey. What?
What is that?
Oh, wait, monster truck.
A monster truck.
Okay. Because of already.
So many.
Yeah.
So many toys. Some people forgot their toys, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
What?
What is that?
Wow.
That does look like a cement truck. Hmm?
Let's play with it. Okay? Where's that truck?
Wow, you got a lot of toys going back home, huh?
Guys, I found many toys today. Thank you for watching, guys.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Presten channel. He's a toy hunter.